Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Yunez Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I will be planning out the week of March 1st through March 7th using this absolutely stunning kit called Just Breathe from Nikkiplusthree. It is in her older format, but I still am absolutely just so obsessed with it. It's in silver foil and everything about it is just gorgeous. So without any further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base of the spread, and then talk to you about my day today. Okay, so starting off on Monday, it's so satisfying because both February and March started on a Monday, which it's like the most satisfying thing when you're a planner girl for some reason. But something I was super happy about was like in my head, I'm like, okay, yay, March means I can start pulling out my spring stickers and all the florals and everything. So I went ham in this spread and I just had so much fun pulling in so many florals and a bunch of honey inked deco. I pull in so many honey inked butterflies and deco pieces, and I kind of do that with this box. So I pull in one of those frame boxes from Bloom Paper Studio, some floral and deco pieces from the kit, and those foil deco pieces are from, like I said, honey inked. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that I edited my Plan With Me on this day. I wanted to get last week's Plan With Me up on Monday, but the week before was just so crazy because the week before that was our film festival, so I was not able to do that. So I ended up getting it up the next day, but to mark editing my Plan With Me, I just pull in a quarter box from the kit. Well, it's actually a little bit bigger than a quarter box. That's almost the size of a third box. So anyways, I pull in a box and the little laptop is from Planning World and the edit script is from Ice Cream Joe. The next thing I wanted to mark is that we cleaned the theater where we had our film festival on this day. And what I mean is we had so much of our equipment, like there was band equipment, there was film festival stuff, and we also had to disinfect the theater. It took like 3 or 4 days to completely clean out the theater because we didn't have that many people. It was me, my husband, and my dad, and my younger brother for the majority of the time. So to mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit, some florals from the Sweet Planner, the little spray bottle is from Crafts by Towie, and the 2 little sparkles are from Honey Inked. Then I wanted to mark that I got some Happy Mail on this day. Always a good time when you get Happy Mail. So to mark that, I pull in a scallop circle from Meg B Makes, and the mailer is from the Glitter Mama. Then to cap off the night, I went to the gym with my husband. So to mark that, I pull in a quarter box from the kit, some more florals from the Sweet Planner, and the gym script is a custom that my mom made for me. Okay, so jumping over to Tuesday, this day, there was a lot that went on this day. So Tuesdays, I teach an in-person fitness class with my sister. It's really cool because where we teach it at, there's like circles that are dedicated like for 6 feet apart, and people can lay their yoga mats out, and it's a lot of fun. So to mark that, I pull in a swatch from Netty Design. I layer that over top of a piece of deco from Honey Inked, and then pull in some more little leaf style silvery deco to go around the little yoga girl, and the yoga girl is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that I uploaded my plan with me on this day. So to mark that, I pull in another one of those. It's not really a third box, but it's a little bit bigger than a quarter box. So I pull in a label. We'll call it a label. I pull in a label from the kit, and the pen is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that we did more cleaning at the theater. So to mark that, I pull in this decorative circle from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals from the kit. That butterfly is from Honey Inked, along with the sparkle deco. I don't know what it was. I was just feeling all of the deco and everything. Like, this kit just like spoke to me. So I kind of go ham on some of these things. Oh, and the little icon, that's from White Deer Stationery. Then I wanted to mark that I had a personal training session on this day, so I pull in another one of those scallop circles from Meg B Makes, and the little shoe is actually from the icon sampler that came with this kit. Throughout the week, because of how like obsessed I was with this kit, I really wanted to keep it cohesive because I was loving how the first half of the week was looking. So I was like, okay, Jen, keep it consistent. No matter what you do, I'm liking this spread, so keep everything consistent. So I went hard with trying to keep everything cohesive. So I pull in a lot of similar aspects throughout the week. Like if there were events that I just did multiple times a week, I made sure that I marked them the exact same way. Anyways, to cap off the night, I pull in another piece of Vine Deco from Honey Inked, and then I went to the gym with my husband. Okay, so on Tuesday, I went to the gym 3 different times. Well, technically. So I did my fitness class in the morning, then I went and had a personal training session, then I went and worked out with a really good friend of ours, and then I went to the gym with my husband. I don't know what was going on with me. I was just like, all the fitness, and I paid for it over the next couple of days. So the next day, I wanted to mark that I had my Zoom class, and to mark that, I layer 2 of the shorter page flags together. I pull in another butterfly from Honey Inked, and the laptop is once again from Planning World. Then I wanted to mark that I uploaded my first journal with me video, which I really enjoyed doing. I'm loving doing journaling spreads. The free flow style is like, I don't know, I really enjoy it. I'll leave it in the comments below if you guys are digging it. I'm gonna still do it whether you guys like the videos or not. Hey. But anyways, to mark that, I pull in another label from the kit. The little spiral notebook icon is from Rose and Tea Shop, and the published script is from Ice Cream Joe. Then I wanted to mark that we finished cleaning the Old Town Theater, and I pull in that same frame box that I marked Hello March, some more butterfly deco from the kit, and some more florals. Like I said, I really wanted to keep everything cohesive, so I wanted to mark things, even if they were different events, I wanted to mark things similarly, but keep it as like similar as possible. You get what I'm saying? I don't know if that's making sense. But anyways, then I wanted to mark that we had Jersey Mike's, so I pull in another label from the kit, some more Honey Inked foil deco. The little lunch bag is from Crafts by Towie. I don't know, I felt like it, you know, you eat sandwiches out of brown paper bags, and I didn't have an icon that fit. I need to invest in some sandwich icons. Then to cap off the night, I did a YouTube binge with my husband, so I pull in another scallop circle from Meg B Makes. The YouTube icon is from Crafts by Towie. Jumping over to Thursday, me and my husband slept in on this day. I needed it. My legs were so sore. Like, okay, so the leg workout that I did on Tuesday when I said I worked out with a friend of mine, he used to be a bodybuilder, okay? And I'm trying to get in really, really good shape because I'm trying to push this fitness business that I'm doing. And I'm like, okay, the product is me. If people are gonna hire me as a personal trainer, I need to be in like top tier physical condition. He put me through this insane leg day. I was literally walking like a newborn baby deer for 3 days. It was insane. So I slept in on this day because my legs were, guys, sitting down was painful. The thought of sitting down, the thought of moving was insane. That's how hard he had me do leg day. I'm gonna do it again because, oh my gosh, but it was insane. Anyways, then I wanted to mark that I cleaned my house. This was like the first really big house clean that we had done since the film festival, and my house was just like, I couldn't stand looking at it anymore. So even though my legs were killing me, I cleaned my house. So to mark that, I pull in another one of those decorative circles from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals from the kit, the butterflies from Honey Inked, along with all of the sparkle deco. Then I wanted to mark that I did a ton of filming on this day. I have so many videos going up this week. It might be a little crazy, but you know what? I'm not mad about it. So to mark that, I pull in another scallop circle from Meg B Makes. The camera icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the film script is from Ice Cream Joe. Then I pull in another vine deco piece from Honey Inked. Then I wanted to mark that I did my nails on this night. So I pull in another label from the kit and another Crafts by Towie icon. I'm really trying to take advice from like some of my favorite planners, like Rachel, Lauren from Plan Mosh Plan, Tay of Shantae Plans, and keep my spreads cohesive. And I'm finding the more that I do that, the more I like my spreads. I am obsessed with how this spread turned out because I took those tips from these people who I just look up to so much. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for giving me your tips. I love it, and it really does help enhance my spreads. So Lauren, Rachel, Tay, if y'all are watching, y'all the real OGs. Anyways, jumping over to Friday, I wanted to mark my Zoom class, and I just marked that the same way that I marked it on Wednesday with the page flags from the kit, the butterfly from Honey Inked, and the laptop from Planning World. Then I wanted to mark that I rode to Dallas with my dad, and I took another trick from Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan, and I took some of the floral deco from some of the full box checklists that I wasn't going to use, and I cut them out and used those as florals because Nikkiplusthree has florals in her kits, but in my opinion, it's not quite enough, and I didn't have other florals that matched 100%. So I took another tip from one of my favorites and cut out some florals from a full box checklist. Thank you, Mosh. Then I wanted to mark that my dad took me to Roadhouse Steaks. That's kind of a tradition whenever we go joking about to pick up some music equipment together from Dallas. We stop at Roadhouse. So to mark that, I pull in another scallop circle from Meg B Makes. The utensils are from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that I went back to the gym on this night with my husband. So I pull in a quarter box from the kit, some more florals from the sweet planner, and the gym script is from my mom. Then to cap off the night, there's that air freshener again. It just loves going off when I record voiceovers. Anyways, then to cap off the night, I did more filming. So to mark that, I pull in a decorative label from the kit. The camera icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the foil deco pieces are from Honey Inked. Oh, and the film script is from Ice Cream Joe. Okay, so jumping over to Saturday, I wanted to mark that I had to get up early and go over to Shane's grandparents' house and sit with his grandfather while his grandma ran some errands. His grandfather is sick, and that's all I'm going to say about it, but he needs someone to be with him. So I went and sat with him while his grandma ran some errands. So to mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit, a house from the GP Studio. Oh, I found out that the GP Studio is reopening her shop she's reopening hopefully in May. Thank heavens. I was really worried that I wasn't going to be able to get my stickers, but hallelujah. Apparently she's going to open sometime in May. So happy about that. Then I wanted to mark that I watched this movie called Whiplash. It's the story of a jazz drummer and the hardships that he goes through. Guys, that movie is intense. I highly recommend it. But to mark that, I pull in another one of those fancy boxes from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals from the Sweet Planner. The TV is from the Glitter Mama, and the sparkle deco is from Honey Inked. Then I wanted to mark that I did a Michaels run with my sister-in-law. We just kind of had a day together. So I pull in another label from the kit, and that pen cup is from Planning World. I pull in another vine deco piece from Honey Inked. And then I wanted to mark that I cooked some chicken for me and my husband. So I pull in another scallop circle from Meg B Makes, and that meal prep board is from Crafts by Towie. Jumping over to Sunday, I wanted to mark that we got to go to church on this day. So I pull in a page flag from the kit and I just lay it down horizontally. The little church icon is from White Deer Stationery and the church script is from Planner Kate. Then I wanted to mark that I had a balloon gig. I did balloons and airbrush face painting, but I only had a balloon dog icon. So Yeah, no. To mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit, some more florals from the Sweet Planner. The balloon dog is from Plan Fantastic, and the balloon gig script is a custom. Okay, then I wanted to mark that I got to watch Plans Change with Rachel and Tay. I was so happy because I had to miss last week because we had our film festival and I didn't get to watch it. So I was really happy that I got to catch this one. So once again, I pull in one of those fancy frame circles from Bloom Paper Studio, some more florals from the kit, some sparkle deco from Honey Inked. The butterfly is from Honey Inked, and then the phone is from the Glitter Mama. Then I wanted to mark that I edited this plan with me, so I just pull in another label from the kit. The icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the edit script is from Ice Cream Joe. Then I wanted to mark that I pre-planned this upcoming week because it's a busy one. So to cap that off, I pull in another scallop circle from Meg B Makes. The paper clips are from Bloom Paper Studio. Here are the leftovers that I had from this kit along with a Viv Wiggle. I had so much fun laying down this spread. Oh, I love all the butterflies and all the silver foil. Oh, everything about it is just wonderful. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.